What's up guys, here we are at Gravity 2023, me and the boy. We're a bit early though, as you can see. Yeah, already lots of people gathering. But yeah, looking forward to this. You looking forward to this?
Yeah.
Boy, let's do this. The boy's already fascinated. What is that? That's a Defender code. Oi! Check this out! That is nasty! Whoa, that's mean! I've always wanted one of these codes. Look. I know. Yeah, let's just get a shot of that. That is pretty damn sweet, that one. Oh, loving that. There's a Mini. That is a Focus. Oh, we got one of them. God, that looks different. See, now we got one of these as well, code. This is a bit nicer than that.
We got one of them.
And we've got one of them. Bloody hell. It's a bit nicer than that, isn't it? Jesus Christ. That's pretty sweet, man. That's pretty sweet, man.
What is this?
Don't know what this is. It's just got glitter on it. Still, there's effort there. Show some effort. That is a. Is that? No. Is that a Slammed RAV4? Do you know what? Suddenly it's cool. Suddenly this is cool. That is a Slammed RAV4. That's caught me off guard. You got one of these? We've got one of these.
Look at the exhaust.
That's pretty cool, actually.
Look at the rainbow.
Yeah, man. My God. Do you know what? I'd say ours is on par with this one.
Look at the back.
Isn't it?
Maybe. Euros wheels, yeah.
Look at
It's
this.
cool. It's cool.
Yeah, look at this.
My body kit's better though. Oh. Oh, look over here though, Code. It's starting to get
Look at the
like.
wheels on this.
Yeah. My God. That.
Oh my
Wow.
God, look at that.
See, now you're talking. Now you're talking. Look at that. That's a GT86 code with a Pandem kit.
There's a Slammed van.
We forget the Slammed van. Respect for the Slammed van, but see now that's cool. You're getting carried away, man. We're here for a long time. Let's just absorb, mate. Absorb. Oh wow! Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you know what that is, Code?
Toyota.
No, that's a Datsun 240Z.
What is that?
Watch this photo. There we go. Let the man take photos. Look at this. It's a McLaren 720S, Code. Oh, I've seen that Mini before. This. It's fast, yeah? That's cool. Look at this, man. Look at that. Look at this. This is pretty cool, man. Look at this.
Look at the quad exhaust on top of each other.
Huh?
Quad exhaust.
Yeah. See, now this is somebody after my own heart, mate. Louvres. You need more of these in the world. Join the Louvre crew. Be one of us. That is a bad boy drift machine right there, that is. There's a bit of classic history. Good God, do you even know what that is? Yes, he's even got the matching Hot Wheels. Wow, look at that. That's a Honda Prelude code. Oh, let's get over here. Let's go, look at these. Look at these.
Like that.
Yeah. There's lots of stuff in here. We kind of started this off wrong. What's what?
The van up there.
I don't know. But we're gonna get there.
No.
Oh no. That's some iconic stuff right there. That is.
Porsche.
Woo!
Look at the front light.
See, that's just something you just don't see. Look at the Mini. Look at this. Whoa, he's gone all LED'd off it. That's pretty cool. That's built well, that is. That's built well. That's a proper track animal right there. That's nice. That's nice. Let's get this way, go. Let's go see some more. Look at this. The R34s.
Look at the tyres on it.
I wonder what that plate means. What do you reckon, go? Huh. I know whose that is. I actually know whose car that is.
There's a Audi.
Yeah?
What is this?
Oh, look at that over there. We're
What
gonna
is
go down
that
and back
over
up. We're gonna say, we're gonna make a route. We're doing it. We're making a route. Calm down. We're making a route.
Audi?
Huh?
Audi?
Oh look, they got in the show. Yeah, they got in the show. Typical, isn't it? Your car's never good enough, but the old bill can just boom you in. It's nice that. That's nice, isn't it, folks? That's an S15. And that's an R34. That's nice, that Rapids. That's very nice. Don't know about the van. I'm not a van guy. A lot of credit for vans, you know, if you're into vans. This is your boy. Pretty cool. Don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool. And the RS calipers are a bit extreme. See, now here's a bit of my own taste right here. You could have done better with the BMX, I'm not going to lie. That junk.
What is this though?
Right, should we go up this?
Inside?
What do you mean look inside? What have you spotted? Yeah, okay, that's nice. It's left-hand drive as well. Yeah, that's nice that. A nice interior there. We're going to go down this side, walk around, come back up again.
That looks
Clean, is that how we're describing this? Old boss here is clean.
Look at it.
Well, I mean, if you're going to do a Fiesta, do it properly. It's kind of cool for a Fiesta. Oi, there you go. There's one for Kevin Johns. Look at that one. Mr. MRM Speed Shop, you should have been here. That's pretty sick.
Don't know what the hell this is.
Subaru wagon, well, Subaru hatchback, mate. I like these. See, no people's own these, and they don't have high things to say about it. See, but that's cool. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. This is one for Ben at work. That is.
Took a photo.
No, do you know what that is there?
Mazda.
I know some Mazda. Do you know what that is?
Twin turbo.
That's a 13B, my friend. 13B. That's a rotary. I've actually rebuilt 3 of them. They're horrible to rebuild. Horrible, mate. This is cool though, right? I like the camo. Obviously, we're big camo fans. Revolution Custom Box camo. Let's go back out. We're not doing back of cars. We're going down the front ends. Let's roll, child. Bring on the boy. Look at that, another 350. I love these S13s. I do. I think I need to own one of these next. Huh? I think I'm going to get one of these next. I think this is it. I need an S13. This is pretty sweet. Oh, code. Check out the front end. Check out the front end. This is important. Do you know what that is? That's a PS13. See that? Look at the camber on this thing.
Sam's detailing.
Same body kit as ours as well. The felony form. These are the same fenders we got. Look at this camber. Oi. Don't touch them.
Yeah, mama.
See that's some hard camber. Loving the exhaust pipes. Look at that. Yes, yes. Oh, we're not going down this one. I just wanted to get grab some of that. Back on the Defender.
What is this?
What do you mean? What is that? That is the future. That is what that is. You have to respect it, whether you like it or not. That is the future right there. But that is a modified Tesla. You know what I mean? That's like some stuff right there. Woo, that's an R33. That's like a beast, isn't it? Wow, we got some WRC business going on there. That's nice. Huh? Quality. They're not buying soap. Yes, we might have washed the Porsche in fairy liquid. That is true. That's pretty cool. It's the same shape. That is a Mark II, like ours. That does not look like one anymore. Jesus, I bet you think you'd recognise your own car, wouldn't you? I remember owning one of them. It was absolutely shit. And that.
Where are we going?
Oh yeah, see, it's cool, it's cool. It's cool. Look, it's like it's like a bit of a pan.
Toyota Supra.
Oh, there's a bit of something different.
That?
We've got the Golf Crew. Oh, we're going over there in a minute. We're going over there in a minute. Let's just check out some old guys.
I'll check out this.
Huh? How? No, I don't get it. How is this in here?
Huh?
That's what ours used to look like.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Ours is big back there.
The Beatles school. That's what I started like as. Jesus. It's a bit unfair if you ask me. We should have applied months ago. We'd have been sat in here. That's nice.
Supra.
That's very nice.
It's got a turbo.
It's what?
It's got a turbo.
It's got a turbo. Are you serious? You're meant to be into cars and you've just established that a Supra might have a turbo.
Look at that.
Dude, that is a whiskey bottle doing something. Dude, this is like groundbreaking, you know, this is like God's effort when it comes to turbos.
There's a truck in it.
You don't realise how iconic this thing is, do you? Like that's your boy Boost right there. That's like history. That how's that in here? Huh? Right.
Look at the back.
Yeah. We're going on the front sides. Come on, child.
What the?
That's a Beetle, obviously. That's a Nova. In my opinion, that deserves to be in here. Ooh, a Mark II, we got one then. Doesn't look like that though, does it? That's nice. Not really a fan of the front wheel drive cars anymore.
What is this?
No, I'm gonna lie. I don't know what that is actually. That's a. I don't know. It's either a proper car or it could actually be a Fiesta underneath. Who knows? Who knows?
Look at the back of it.
Who else remembers them Quantum kit cars? Does anyone remember them? Yeah, they weren't a good part of the time, they weren't. That era wasn't great.
Look at the seat. Look at the seat.
Huh? Yeah. That is the taxi beading on the seat there.
I'm taking a
That's
picture
nice.
of this.
You know, we've all seen this when you're drunk on a Friday night. Bring on the beads. This is what's one of the Kai cars? It's a Nissan Cube on it. I'm not actually sure what that is, to be honest. Another one of these. A boosted one. Oi! See, here we go.
What?
Alright. Oh, it's supercharged. Okay. That's an M3 on with a supercharger. That's totally different to what I did. I like it. I like it. That's pretty damn cool.
That's a mean engine.
But I'm guessing his reliability is about as strong as ours, which is why it's for sale.
Look at this engine.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice doing conversions. All these engine conversions go where you boost it, you supercharge it, stuff like that. But the problem is that they don't work some days. Come out one day and it just doesn't want to work. You can get a picture of that. I don't get it.
Supercharged.
I don't know why, but I kind of expected. That's cool. It's clean. Don't get me wrong. It's clean. That is exactly the same engine that's in the red car at home.
Where's the hood?
Huh?
Where's the hood?
Just took it off for the show reasons, but that's the same engine. This, well, mine's got a turbo on it, but
Look at the back
it's an
of that.
M50. What? Yeah, that's slammed.
No, look at the back of it.
The Beetle, that's where it's meant to be. The turbo's not meant to be on it, but the engine is actually there when they're built.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you do know that?
Why does that M4 have a big Forza wing?
Why not? Why not?
That's
That's
just
that.
strange.
Oh, did you see that over there? Look, gone in 60 seconds code. Eleanor. Who remembers Nicolas Cage? S14A Touring, I remember the day I had one of these. Do you know what? If you ever get one of these, don't sell it. Seriously, damn good car.
I took a
Amazing to
picture of
drive, that is. Also had an Escort. Glad I sold that.
it. Look at this Tesla.
There's a chance that may have been pushed in here. Another one of these Defender things and a Matt Rat's Tesla. I like that, you know? I like that.
What is that?
What is that? What, this blue one? That is a Corsa. This is a true max power build from the 90s. This is what they did.
That's what
This is what it was all about, man. Big wing, narrow stuff, chrome wheels, more fiberglass than metal. I mean, I can't talk with the Porsche. That is a Fiesta Turbo. Do you know? Do you realise how rare this is?
No.
You don't see these anymore. You just don't. You just don't. Oh, look, it's Saito works.
Yeah, look, it's hot.
What?
Here.
There's Hot Wheels here. Ah, I see. Chancey, you'll be all over that, mate. Chancey's done. I'm going home after that. This is cool. This is cool. Liking this. Liking this tree. I'm thinking by the tree. S2000. See, people don't mess with these enough. What are you saying? Saito Works t-shirts. We might invest. We might buy one. Like these. Do like these. We're going to come back to this stand. We're coming back here. That's nice. Right, it's a. Right, back on it. Distracted by stuff in the shop. Totally distracted by stuff. Saito Works, man. Oi. Them neons. I'm not sold on how they were applied. That is an old Mercedes 190. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That is also pretty cool. Yeah, that's pimperish. That's pimping. What?
Oh, baby, it's not really long.
Oh, it's supposed to go there, man.
I have a picture.
Yeah, let's go that way. Come on. We're going to see the M styling section. Yeah, yeah, that's a different kind of badge. eBay. Shh. What?
Why is it longer?
I don't know. We're at car shows, it's bound to happen. That's it's alright that. It's alright that. I believe that's the GT3. This is, yeah, obviously it's a new model, but
Look over there.
yeah. Well, they've changed a lot, haven't they, compared to ours? I like the new back end I do, it's much better than the one we got.
What? It doesn't even have a license plate.
Huh? It's very nice. It's very nice that.
I'm going to take a picture of that.
But you want to take a picture of what?
That.
Do you even know what that is?
No.
That's a Honda CRX Del Sol. This has got an automatic roof. Did you know? This is electric roof. This car. The back goes up and there's pistons in it, and it's weird as hell. But it's cool. It is cool. You take a picture. Boy is picturing. Boy is picturing. So we must be in the old Honda area.
Must be in. That was sick.
You know, next year we should just apply to be in this show. You get me? That's cool though. See, there's some stuff here that's just like, but this is one of them things. It's not lifted. It's a 69 maybe, and it's leaking. That's not good. It's cool though, isn't it? Ignore the leak. Maybe it's just having a pee. Oi, parts. Like parts. Not buying parts, but we like parts. Hey, this. Wow, you don't see these any point in your life. You see two in the same place. Yeah, that was a good movie, wasn't it? That was a good movie. Oh, let's go over there. Huh? Oh, it looks like we're side swiping. I mean, it's been Paul Walker going on there. It's pretty cool. Sugarcoat. I wonder. Oh my God, that's a moment, Jamie.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
What camera is that?
It's a Ghost. It's actually an action camera, but I use it for cars and.
Cool. That's cool. Okay, so am I part of your vlog or whatever you're doing?
Yeah. I'm just shocked, mate. Wow.
Are you a YouTuber of any description or TikTok?
Very early starting days.
I thought we was going for the spud.
Give him some, man. Give him some.
Edit that out. Edit that out.
You've met somebody famous. This is.
I am
Mr.
not
Official
famous.
Guest.
You stop it.
You are famous, my friend.
No, I'm only a YouTuber.
Yeah, but you're the YouTuber.
You're the
YouTuber.
I think Matt Armstrong's here today. He's the YouTuber. I'm not quite at his level. But,
yeah, I'm shocked to meet you. It's literally, I mean, you keep us entertained at work every
really?
single day.
You
Yeah.
watch quite a lot then.
Yeah, I work in the MOT station. We just sit there having our lunch watching your videos, mate.
Well, thank you for
I think we should, mate, to be fair. But yeah, well, we're going to carry on. We'll leave you to it. I mean, mate, I'd stand here and chat to you all day. I really would. But this is Jamie from Officially Gassed. If you don't know who that is, you should. Check this out.
Check me out.
And Porsche, if you're listening, this guy here has sold your shit. Seriously. This is the guy. See this? Do you see this? This is the man. Just phone him. Do something. Jamie, mate.
Right.
Have a great day, man. I might see you later on.
Yeah.
But it's been a pleasure, mate.
Likewise. Nice one, man.
Code, are we coming? Say goodbye to Jamie, man.
See you around.
Nice one, brother. You can win this car. Look at this. You can win this car.
Look at this.
Huh? Yeah, man, it's a lowrider. This is his own car. But yeah, if you scan the code, you enter, this could be yours. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah. Well, look, this is his Porsche. Yeah, we'll have a look.
That's his.
Wow. It's so nice, isn't it?
Can we go over there?
Huh? We can. We
So
can.
I need to take more pictures.
Oi. It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Well, that was a hell of a moment, wasn't it? Wow. That's wow. Look at that. This is cool, Code. This is cool. Ooh, that's just. Whoa. That's beast, that is. That's a beast. Wow, that's impressive. That's probably one of the most impressive things I've seen today, that is. What? We're gonna get there, don't you worry. Damn, that's some money's worth right there. That's something. No, you are. Whoa. Don't Run around, Derek. We're getting there. I know.
Oh, no. Something else. Look.
Attention, please. This is a message for all exhibitors. These chimes will precede all NEC emergency messages. All exhibitors are requested to check their stands for any items that should not be there or for anything untoward.
Very
This
nice.
is to ensure
Nice
that
indeed.
the hall is safe prior to opening. Please raise any concerns with security staff immediately. Thank you.
Hot rod code. Hot rod. The hot rod is cool. Huh? The hot rod's cool. I'm not sure about the Michelin snow tyres though. What is that about? What is that about?
It's 2 seater.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Cross plies. Seriously? I mean, I know it's like a hot rod and that. I get that. It's cool, but do you have to put shit tyres on it? Is that like part of the deal?
Part of the car's
Is that a remold? That's a remold.
What is that?
That's a remold snow tyre. What have you done that for? Come on, man. I don't know yet. We're going to go up, we're going to go round, back down. And then we're going to go venture that way and look at the show that direction. That's our plan. This is cool. Look at this. This is some Snoop Doggy Dogg level shit. That's the lowriders, mate. The lowriders.
Car for 10 seconds.
Have you really?
Yep.
That's cool, isn't it?
This is like
That's pretty nice, man. That's pretty cool.
oh no.
Beast. That's a bit of a beast. Check out the manifold, bro.
Hey, look, it's
Remember making that, yeah? Nightmare. Yeah, man.
what the?
Isn't it?
I want to have a look at
It's pretty cool. Yes. The boy's took by the Audi. The boy has got an Audi thing, he does. He's definitely there. What? It's touching the floor. It's not touching the floor. See? There's room. There's gappage.
yeah, only
Gappage.
This coming down there.
Innit? Let's go and take a stroll this one. Yeah, man. That's probably bagged. Yeah, that's a transport. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, man, let's go and get these two. The old dirty unicorns. Let's do that. There's some monster wheels there, look at them. Jesus. Well, it's cool. Don't get me wrong, it's cool. Yeah, we like that. What are you doing? You ain't meant to be in there, I don't think. Why are you in their stand? Why are you in their stand for? Well, pretty damn cool, man. Yeah? Yeah. Highway. Huh? Oh, it's just, look, that's cool. Whoa! There it is. Look at that code. What? I'm going to give you that. That's pretty cool. Loving that. That's nice. Do you know what? This is giving you ideas, man. We're slamming the kettle cart when we get home. Huh?
I'm going to take photos with the drift cast.
Is that? It is. So who owned, I think if I'm right, that's Travis Pastrana's bike. I do believe that's what that is. I could be wrong.
Look at the Jeep.
I could be wrong, but I do believe that's who owns this. Yeah. Look at these, huh? Huh?
I'm going to take photos of them.
Whoa, there's some monsters in there, isn't there?
There's a Nissan GTR.
Yeah. That's an S13 with a V8 in it. You just can tell. Really sweet S15s. What are you doing, Code? What's he doing? Woo! Some seriousness in that one. Jesus. Nice. Nicely done. What are you doing?